Yeah.
Today we're going to bring a body camera, and this body camera comes with a base, if you guys can see it. It has a different type of clip. There's a longer clip, there's a short clip, USB charging station, USB cable included. The camera right now, it could be utilized for a couple of things. It could be used for law enforcement, field operations, or maybe documentation of certain things. People use it for everything, even for if you're driving in your car, something that you can put your base via your USB connection, you can plug it in. Now, to take it off the base, you got to push it forward, all right? Put it back, it's simple. It clips on, it snaps in there, and it takes a picture if you guys can see that. So we're gonna take it out, and then we're gonna go ahead and show you guys what you're looking at, all right? On the back of it, you got your menu button here. You can change burst, 48 size, you go your arrows, and then your cycle, go back. So you have all that, and right now, if you can see it, it's actually recording full battery. It's recording at 1440, right, which is high resolution. And then it time steps everything too. On the side, you got your USB, micro USB. There is no micro USB. It has internal memory. It has an SOS, if you guys can see that. On the back of it, there's a side buttons. Look at that. That's the side button. And it makes a noise, all right? So I'm going to turn it off. Click it again. It goes away. Light. For night vision, it changes light. If you guys can see that, it changes to night, to day to night on the actual light. Put it back to dark. Audio, this one is if you want to capture audio. If you don't want to capture audio, look at that. It's actually capturing audio. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Click on that one, and then power up. Power button, of course. To transfer the video is very simple. You get a USB, transfer it to your computer, it'll show up. When each video has a timestamp. Right now we're gonna go ahead and plug it in, and right now it is capturing video from today. So if you guys can see my video, we're gonna test it out. 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Right now we're gonna go ahead and plug it in, and right now it is capturing video from today. So if you guys can see my video, we're going to test it out. 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. So this will automatically run. It will automatically do a loop cycle until it runs out of memory and so forth, and then it will just keep looping. Really handy for documenting, especially now security guards are getting assaulted, or maybe they misinformation or something's going on that you want to make sure you capture it. This is one way to do it. And it has built-in memory, like I said, 128 gigs of memory. So it's going to last you for quite a few days, all right? So let's take a look at the footage and see how well it works.
As long as we have the original part, to get the measurements, or you got a blueprint.
Do you guys have a scanner, a 3D scanner?
Heat scanner?
A scanner, a digital scanner. So